Hi, and welcome to Clappia. In this video, we will see how to capture videos in your Clappia apps with the help of an example. In my Clappia dashboard, I will choose this project inspections app that I've created earlier. If you wish to know how to create an app in Clappia from scratch, there is a video linked in the description. Now, this is an example of an inspections app for an employee to conduct certain inspections. Let's say they select General to do a general inspection and fill in the details, then verify it and submit it. For the inspection, I'd like them to have an option for video capture to get visual data. This is important for inspection cases or assessments where you can get a better narrative than just plain text or images, or depends on your requirements really. So let's see how to do that. I will add the option for video capture in the verification section at the end over here. I'll go to Design App, where I've created the app structure. You can see the sections that were there in the app, along with the corresponding fields. I will jump directly ahead to the verification section. Now, as I said, I want to add the option for video capture in this section. I will click on Add Field and then select the Camera, Image and Files block. This block can be configured on the right-hand panel. If you wish to know how to configure this block in detail, there is a separate video based on this block linked in the description. I will first give a name to this field, and next I will go to the Advanced section. Under Allowed File Types, I will select Videos for video uploads. Under maximum number of files allowed, you can set the limit up to 10. I don't need any other further configurations as of now, so I'll click on Save. Let's check this out. I'll go to App Home. I've added the option for video capture at the bottom of this app, as you can see over here. Currently for the web app, you will only be able to upload videos directly from the system or your device. I will select this video to upload. The video has now been uploaded. You can also click on the file to view the video uploaded. You can then fill in the details of your app and make a submission. So I'll just do that quickly. I filled in all the details in this app. The video is uploaded and I'll click on Submit. You can view all the submissions under the Submissions tab. Click on a submission and a right-hand panel will appear, capturing all the details. The video has also been submitted. Now let's say, instead of uploading recorded videos, I would like to capture a live video. On the Clappia mobile app, you will be able to upload live video recordings. If you haven't downloaded it already, you can do so by downloading the Clappia app either on Play Store or App Store. And the moment you log into it, any apps that you have created or that have been assigned to you will be live and ready to use. So let's check it out. Over here, you can see the mobile screen with the Clappia app downloaded. I'll click on the Project Inspections app. The app is live and ready to use. If I scroll to the bottom to the verification section, you can see the option to upload videos. Here in the mobile app, I can either upload videos from my mobile device or I can do a live video recording. So let's check out this option. The live video recording has been uploaded. I can then fill in all the details of the app to make a submission. I'll just speed up this part. I filled in all the details. I'll click on Submit. Even in the mobile app, you will be able to view all your submissions if you have the appropriate access. Click on a submission to view all the details. The video has also been captured in the mobile app. Do note that you can record a live video recording of up to 20 seconds, following which the recording will automatically stop. Now, what if I want users to only upload videos with a lesser file size, say up to 20 MB? You can set that limit. Going back to the web app, to set file size limits, go to Workplace Settings on the left panel. Then click on Preferences, then select File Size Limits. And on the right panel, you can fix the maximum file size to be uploaded by a user. So let's say I make it 20 MB. You can set it to up to 50 MB. And I'll click on Save. Setting the file size limit is applicable for any file type uploaded in the Camera, Image and Files block in your app. Let's go back to the app. In my dashboard, I'll click on the Project Inspections app. And now let me upload a video. Previously, I had uploaded this video, whose file size was 46.2 MB. If I were to open this file, you get an error message, since I've set the limit of the file size to 20 MB. If you want your users to know beforehand that they can only upload videos up to 20 MB, you can set a description for the field. So in Design App, in the Camera, Image and Files block, on the right panel, you can give a description. You can also leave it blank, depends on your requirements. So I've just given some description here and I'll click on Save. Now I'll go to App Home and you can see the description has appeared over here. Let's say I select this video to upload whose file size is below 20 MB. It has been uploaded. You can also allow the users to upload multiple videos in your app. So in Design app, for this block, on the right panel, go to the Advanced section and under Maximum Number of Files Allowed, you can set the limit up to 10. And since I've set the limit of the file size to be 20 MB, that means I can upload 10 videos, each of file size 20 MB. So in App Home, I'll upload a video of file size up to 20 MB. I've uploaded one video, and since I can upload multiple videos as per my configuration, I can do just that. The second video has also been uploaded. Do note that uploading videos is currently not supported in offline mode. However, it is supported for white labeled apps. In that instance, users can upload videos and make submissions when offline, and when they do have internet connectivity, the submission will be automatically synced with the uploaded video. White labeled apps will also be able to upload 30 seconds of live video recording on the Clappia app instead of the usual 20 seconds. Finally, you can also set a prefix to the file name of the video you upload for live recording. In Design app, for this block, on the right panel, go to the Advanced section. We have the option File Name Prefix. Here you can set the text that you would like to add as a prefix along with the file name that comes automatically for the video uploaded for a live recording. So I can type in some text like company in quotes, save this, and check it out on the mobile app. I have opened the Clappia app and I will upload a video. Do note that the prefix that you set will only be applicable for videos uploaded through live recording on your mobile device and not for gallery uploads. For this video uploaded, you can see the prefix that I have set, which is company, appear over here as the prefix to the file name. You can also make use of field data. For example, if I select site A, then site A should appear as the prefix. So here in the file name prefix, I will remove this text, and to capture the data of the site field, I will make use of the variable name of this field. So over here I will type in @site and click on save. Now let's check this out. Again in the mobile app, I will upload a video through live recording. Over here you can see no prefix has been set to this file name. That is because it is dependent on the site field. So if you have any dependencies, make sure to fill in those fields first and then do the video recording. So I will delete this, give some data to the site field, and I'll upload another video. The prefix has appeared with the file name and it corresponds to what I've selected. So this is how you can make use of the camera, image and files block to upload videos in your Clappia apps. If you have any query on how to upload videos or to configure the block or on any other feature in Clappia, you can always request support by clicking on the button over here, or you can email us directly to support@clappia.com and we'll be happy to assist you. Thank you.